Images recently circulated on social media by defense analyst Shiki Kuroha show Japan conducting trials with an Israeli-built Heron Mk2 unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, at Shirahama Airport in Wakayama Prefecture. Operated by Kawasaki Heavy Industries, the drone carried distinctive electronic support measures, ESM, antennas under both wings and large symmetrical panels along its fuselage, features suggesting a setup tailored for advanced electronic intelligence gathering and possibly electronic warfare operations. This development underscores Japan's growing interest in next-generation unmanned systems amid rising tensions and maritime competition in East Asia. With the region's strategic balance shifting, Tokyo is placing renewed emphasis on platforms that can deliver persistent intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance (ISTAR) capabilities. The Heron Mk2, produced by Israel Aerospace Industries (IAI), is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for multi-role missions such as ISTAR, electronic warfare, and communications intelligence. Upgrades over the earlier Heron include a 50% faster climb rate, top speeds reaching 140 knots, a maximum takeoff weight of 1,350 kilograms, and a payload capacity boosted to 470 kilograms. The wider fuselage allows for more sophisticated sensors, while modular payload bays permit quick reconfiguration to match specific mission profiles. In the configuration spotted in Japan, the underwing ESM antennas and likely ELINT/comment systems enable detection, identification, and tracking of adversary radar and communications at extended ranges. The Heron platform has seen operational use across the Middle East, Asia, and other contested zones, including missions in heavily defended airspace. Israel uses the Shoval variant for reconnaissance, strike, and electronic warfare, while export customers such as India employ it for long-range maritime and border surveillance. The Japanese evaluation is occurring alongside tests of the Turkish Bayraktar TB2, a lighter, more cost-efficient drone with combat experience, though the Heron Mk2's greater endurance, payload capacity, and electronic warfare capabilities make it a better fit for strategic missions over expansive maritime zones. Tokyo's consideration of the Heron Mk2 signals a move to broaden its UAV fleet beyond US-made systems like the MQ-9B Sea Guardian, currently in use by the Japan Coast Guard and slated for Maritime Self-Defense Force service. Unlike the Sea Guardian, which focuses on maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare, the Heron Mk2 offers a versatile platform suited for both land and sea-based ISR, with a strong emphasis on electronic intelligence. Acquiring it could enhance Japan's ability to track Russian Pacific Fleet operations, North Korean missile activity, and Chinese naval maneuvers in contested waters such as the East and South China Seas. Its ability to integrate with manned assets and perform effectively in electronic warfare conditions would add a vital persistent surveillance layer for early warning and crisis response. Strategically, adopting the Heron Mk2, potentially manufactured domestically by Kawasaki, would represent Japan's first formal integration of an Israeli-developed defense platform, signaling a broader procurement approach that extends beyond traditional American and European partners. Such a move would strengthen Japan's technological edge in unmanned systems, bolster deterrence, and increase interoperability with allies, all while complicating strategic planning for rival nations. The trials illustrate Japan's recognition that modern aerial surveillance demands platforms capable of high endurance, multi-role adaptability, and robust electronic warfare performance. If acquired, the Heron Mk2 would become a central component of Japan's future intelligence architecture, ensuring persistent situational awareness across its maritime frontiers.